Should we start?
Hmm.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back to what?
Let's talk.
Yeah, season 2 of Let's Talk. So if you've been to season 1, you already know what's going to happen, what has happened. If you haven't been here, we'll just cover what we covered in the last season. So this forum was started a couple of months ago as an open speaking platform for people to come up and take up topics and speak about things. We had tips on how to improve our public speaking. We got immediate feedback on our prepared speakers. Then we had impromptu sessions. Impromptu sessions were something which people came up with really innovative ideas to conduct. There was this guy which came up with a new website every time we planned an impromptu session. He's out of office for some reason today. We saw some games, we saw some activities happening all throughout the season 1. So spread across the 3 months, we had 10 episodes in the first season. Therein we had around 60 plus speakers. We delivered 150 plus speeches. All the speeches, they covered various topics, various segments, various themes, various ideas. So this forum it provides a platform for people to come up, bring in their ideas, speak on things, and more importantly connect with the colleagues. I'll just recap some of the topics we covered in the last season before I hand over the stage to Sudhish to launch the next season. So I'll just cover some of the topics. We heard about trekking. Akshata spoke about how trekking helped her, how we should get involved in those things. We had a trip to Mysore by Shrey. It was a really good explanation of what we expected in the training session and what we got through it. We heard about festivals. We heard about favorites. There was one guy speaking about favorites and why he does not like it. I'm not sure who that was, but there was one guy. We heard about civic responsibilities. People talked about we should be responsible enough to take care of things around us, take care of people around us.
Sorry to interrupt, man.
We had some interruptions, but okay. Yeah, we saw some really pretty artworks. So when people say that STG has talents, they don't limit it to technicals. We saw that here. We saw people coming up with really beautiful artistic things, encasing the really hidden talents. I remember macarons for some reason. Do you recall anything? Yeah, so there was one speaker who talked about baking, so we don't have speaker here today. But yeah, if she sees the episode she'll know we will be talking about her. We heard about constructive criticisms. Then we heard about overthinking. Yeah, that's a really common problem with us. So we had so many topics. I hardly covered maybe 10 topics here. Let's hope in this season we have many more to come. We see many more interesting activities coming up. We do have some new flavors we'll be planning to add to this season. We'll be having a theme every session for our impromptu sessions. For the prepared speakers, we hope they include that. If they're not able to include that, we are not going to judge them on those. Okay. So handing over the stage to Sudhish to take a few words.